this is Thomas and today we will be making double chocolate cookies. First you're going to take a little bowl and you're going to add in 1 cup of flour. And then you're going to add 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of both baking soda and baking powder. Then you're going to take a whisk and whisk that all together, and then you're just going to set your dry ingredients off to the side. Then you're going to take a mixer and you're going to add in 10 tablespoons of softened butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, and then you're going to beat this on medium speed until it's nice and fluffy, and this will take about 5 minutes. So I'm not going to film it since that's going to take up a lot of storage, but I will be back soon. Once everything is combined, you're going to add in 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then you're just going to beat that in on medium speed until it's all combined. Now you're going to add in your dry ingredients on low speed. Once that's all combined, you're going to add in 2 cups of chocolate chips or chunks and mix that in as well. So you just want to scrape down your paddle attachment and then stir all the stuff from that in. Now you're going to take a cookie scoop, or if you don't have one, a spoon in your hands, and you're just going to roll balls about this size, or maybe a little bit bigger depending on how big of a cookie you want. And you're going to put them in some sort of container. And you're just going to repeat this process for all of the rest of them. Once you're done packaging up your cookies, then you're going to get ready to put them in the fridge. So you're supposed to put these in the fridge for anywhere between 24 and 36 hours. And the longer you do it, the better they will be. However, they will still be good even if you don't wait the full time. So I'm going to be back in a few hours after they've chilled for a little bit of time. And they will be better if you keep them in the fridge for longer, but what's good about these is you don't have to make them all at once. So I'll make some later for the video, and then I'll make more tomorrow or the next day when they're even better and not film that. So I will be back in a few hours. When you're ready to bake your cookies, you're going to first preheat your oven to 350. And then depending on how many cookies you're going to make, you're going to take either 1 or 2 trays and line it with parchment paper. And then you're just going to take your cookie balls and you're going to put them on the tray. And you want to space them far apart so that they don't spread, because they will spread. And I'm only going to make 4 today, but these are going to be good in the fridge for a later time. Now that my oven is preheated, I'm going to put these in for about 18 minutes. I will be back when they come out to take them out and let them cool. When your cookies are done, you should take them out of the oven to let them cool. I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes until the middles are still warm and soft. The outer edges are more warm and are more cooled and crunchier. I will be back in a few minutes. Once your cookies have cooled, you should eat one. So that's what I'm going to do now. These are really good because they have a crunchy outside, a gooey middle, and melty chocolate chips. And I think they're very delicious cookies, and hopefully you will too if you decide to make them. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.